So guys, I'll leave the link to this inside the description. I'm not going to leave a link. I'm just going to put the whole entire script into the description below, and then you can use it. The only thing you have to worry about is going to here. You got. So it has to be a local script inside of starter character scripts. You got to name it whatever, but it must be a local script. Then you got to put an animation inside of it, and then make your curl animation, and then put the ID into here. And then once you're done with that, yeah, it should do that. So I accidentally expected a colon, not dot, and I didn't know what that meant until I realized, when I looked at something just like it, I realized it was a colon. So now, okay, now it works. It's now, yep, okay, I like it. It's going good. So now when I won't move. Oh, he's coming. Ah! I want to be Roblox's best dancer. Wait. Yeah, that'll be pretty nice. So, like, you actually have a chance to escape them. It's not just immediate death. That's actually pretty sweet. And that's what this game is. So when you're trying to go, ah, you're pretty much dead. Oh. And now I'm nearly dead. And then now I am dead. Okay, nice. That'll be it for this tutorial. Whoa. Okay. So for the next tutorial, I might just build a map. So I'll explain how this works. So first, we have our variables. And just to make it easier for you guys to know, I'm just going to, is it slash slash? No, that's unity. This is that. Variables. And this is, oops. Setting speed. Setting speed. And then this is activating the animation. So these are the variables that we are using. So this is what this is. So this gets the user input service into here. This one gets the character, which is our script.parent. So this is a script, and its parent is this. But once we play the game, it'll go into our player, so that we'll always have it. And then we're just getting the humanoid of the character, and then the scroll animation is getting the humanoid, loading the animation, the script, and we're going to wait for child just in case it hasn't loaded the scroll animation. And so if the speed is greater than 0, that means they're trying to move. And so we're going to set it to normal speed, but unless they're not moving, we're just going to set it to 0, so the animation is paused. If we're doing the same thing here, so just in case, so if we don't do this, so if we don't put this line here, and then they crouch without moving, and then that means that it'll just play the animation. So by default, it'll be set to this. And then we're saying the humanoid walk speed, so that it'll lower its walk speed when it's crawling and lower its jump power. And then here we're going to put else, and then is crawling is equal to false. Scroll anim, we're gonna stop the animation, so it'll go back into our normal walk or idle. And then we're setting the humanoid back to normal, so that its positions are better, so its speed and its jump power are back to normal. And so that's that. And then for the next episode, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but you guys can tell me what you guys want me to do next for a game like Piggy. I'm just gonna keep this like this. This is just a temporary. It won't stay here forever. So we're just gonna put that far away. For now, we're gonna keep on server storage, unless you guys maybe want me to make like a different. I'm not gonna do a different one. So I'm just gonna have the link to him inside the description below. Yeah, this is not something I made. I just took a free model and then I customized it a little bit, so it's not a complete copy. I just customized it. So yeah, that's really gonna be it for how to make a game like Piggy Part 1. But just in case you guys want to know. Well, actually, yeah. So I'm also gonna teach you the basics of building stuff. So like, if you want to make characters, like stuff like this, I'll also make an animating tutorial right now. So in order to animate, so if you guys want to do this, just get a rig that you like. Open the animation editor. If you have anything here, I'll recommend moving it. Everyone's gonna call this tutorial. You can call it crouch or crawl, whatever you're gonna do. I'm gonna quickly, oops, 45. Okay, I'm gonna quickly place it down. The only reason I'm making this is just for the people who don't know how to script or animate and they really want to maybe get some views on Roblox and some plays. Okay, so first what you want to do is make your beginning pose. So I'm going to set this as my beginning pose. You can also have it as your beginning pose if you want. This is what he will look like when he starts his crawl. So I guess he could look like, this could be like, let's have like, yeah, you could just do something like that. Maybe just like, set it like, oh no, set it back to normal. Yeah, that doesn't look very nice, but it's just a tutorial. Actually, let's just do a walk animation, but first we can just quickly finish this for the people who want to make that kind of animation. Or maybe I should just. Alright, then I'm just gonna quickly copy this one. In order to copy, you just select which keyframes you want to keep. So I want to do the first frame, Control C, and paste them at the next line. So at first, this animation looks like this. It's absolutely trash, and I am definitely aware of that. Okay, this is just for a tutorial about how to animate, so it's not really that important. But if you guys think it's important, just say into the comments, dude, what are you doing? You need important animations or something. Just do something in the comments that you want me to do for the next video. And right now this dude's acting like he's a spider, and I absolutely hate it. Yeah. Control C, Control V. So, okay, I guess I'm just gonna leave the link to the animation below that I made so you guys can use. I don't want to look at this stuff anymore. I'm just gonna look at this and then quickly make a walk animation. So what I do is I just quickly make the basic of an animation. Then I worry about the important stuff after, like the more details and bends into the arms and stuff. Okay. So just quickly paste it at 18 and then quickly play it over and over again. You can see it kind of like a walk. If you want to make it a little bit further, a little bit like that, like this. I'm just going to quickly set this to, oops, wrong one. Set this just like this. And then so now I kind of actually like it. And so now let's just quickly oops. kind of see it, but if you want to give it a little bit more detail, I'm just gonna, just like, make sure that the positions are okay. Just like quickly raise this position to make it seem a little bit clearer, just a little tiny little bit, just in case, you know. Then right here, lower it down. Yeah? Okay. So that'll be the end of today's video, and I'll see you all in the next one.